Oh. Yo! Cow foot people. Fully active, my father. Cook and vibe. Fully active. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Press that like button and get the video moving. You know what I'm saying? I hope everybody's good, man. Now, there's a certain individual, you know you are, in the comments every single week, isn't he? First of all, it was pig feet. Pig feet recipe. Pig feet recipe. He finally got the pig feet recipe, and then he switched to cow foot. So today, people, we're not cooking cow foot. I'll tell you why in a minute. We are reviewing and eating cow foot. The reason why we're not cooking it, I actually bought fresh cow foot to cook. And then I was looking at the recipe, and it was a one bag of things, and you needed a pressure cooker, which I don't have. So unfortunately, I couldn't make it myself. But I am going to tell you the recipe. All right? I am going to tell you the recipe, and we're going to be trying cow foot for the first time. I've never had cow foot before, you see me? So today's the first. You know you are in the comments. You need to press the like button very, very fast. This is your time, my G. You know what I'm saying? Cow foot. Funny story, which was not actually funny yesterday, but is a little bit funny today. But it's not, we just got to make it funny. So I was in Brixton and I said, right, I'm going to buy the cow foot and I'm going to vlog the whole thing of buying it and where I'm buying it and whatever and whatever. So we're in Brixton. As you can see, the cutaway's there. And because I only got a couple, and I thought, right, I went and checked the breader and he was like, fam, it's not done yet. So come back in an hour. So I've come back in an hour. And that's when I've done this video. I tell you some people, yo, I haven't cooked the cow foot for so long, yeah. Yo, I go check the breader, and I say, yo, the cow foot ready? He'd say, they're ready, and come back in an hour. So, all right, so it's been about an hour and a half. I go back in and say, General, you know what I'm saying? They're ready yet. Another 15 minutes. This is why I didn't cook the cow foot, because it's a long process. You know what I mean? But we're there Brixton, there with George P. I want our vibes. You know what I'm saying? That is it, people. Cow foot. I'm gonna have to find the comment. Whoever you've written cow foot in the comment every week, and you're finally getting it. Cow foot. So after that, I said, I'm gonna go move my car. So I went to my car. My car's not there, people. Oh my God, my car's not there. They've told I've only gone and parked in the wrong place, and they've taken my car. I don't know what's going on, people. I'm all over the place. I don't know if it's been stolen. I'm calling the tow people. They're saying there's no trace of it. I'm thinking, oh my God, what's going on? I'm on the streets with my bags, with all my bits and bobs, and my cow foot, with no car. So in the end, we found a warden, and my brethren knew him, and he gave us a number for the actual compound, the local one, and we phoned them, and they was like, yeah, we got your car. So I had to get the train back to Kent, and then get my documents and whatever, and go back on the train to go and get my car out and pay to get it out. It was a mad thing. So that's why there's no vlog, the rest of the vlog in Brixton. But let's get to what we're doing here. The cow foot. There we have it. There is the cow foot. Now, this got to be, I was about to say, this got to be the foot there, but it's all foot. It's just cow foot. It's all cow foot. It's a bit mad, I'm not gonna lie. I know the real Jamaicans, them are looking right now and saying, no man, I'm here man. Cow foot, man, that good for you. Give you a strong back. Let's give you a strong back. See me? It's actually my brethren Z.I.S. It's his favourite meal. Anytime we go restaurant, he buys cow foot. And I think I actually tasted it a little bit before, but I can't remember. But yeah, this has been in the fridge, so I'm gonna warm it up now, put it on a plate, and taste the cow foot. If you did want to cook it, basically you get the cow foot and you clean them, whatever. It should come up chopped up anyway. And you season it with the same sort of pretty much seasoning as you would with oxtail. So if you go back to the oxtail recipe, you can see exactly like the same sort of seasonings with the browning and stuff like that. And then you sort of just like cook it for hours in a pressure cooker with all your Scotch bonnet and your peppers and whatnot, and your onion and whatnot. So basically, you could pretty much just follow the oxtail steps, but once you've marinated your meat or whatever, you put it in a pressure cooker for a couple of hours. I've warmed up my food. My food's ready. Let's have a look. Here we have it. Cow foot. Wow. I'm going to be honest, it smells really nice. It smells really nice, but look at this. Okay. I thought that's all that one part. That's not, yeah. It's kind of like, okay. That's the foot. There, look. The bone. Yeah. As you can see, look at that jelly bit. That jelly bit looks mad. Oh, proper jelly. But yeah. I feel like I'm going to try like this bit and I'm going to have to try part of the jelly, ain't But it smells good. It smells a little bit like oxtail. Trust me, people. It smells a little... When I looked at the recipe, I was like, okay, it's pretty much oxtail recipe. But you just use cow foot. But that jelly bit... Not sure about that one there. Still! Cook and vibe. Let's taste this, man. I'm just wasting time here. Let's get into it. All right, here we go, people. Cow foot. Let's have a go at this. Let's see what it tastes like. Let's taste the rice first. All right. The gravy's nice. With the sauce and the cow foot, actually really, really nice. Tastes like oxtail. Yeah, people. All right, so let's go in and taste it. All right. No, all right. Look. It tastes really nice. Now I know you're gonna be like, your face didn't say that. It tastes really nice. But it's proper like jelly, man. Ooh. It's the jelly that I can't get round, bro. Wow. It's the jelliness, man. Whoa. It tastes like oxtail. Now, I'll tell you the God truth, it tastes like oxtail. It tastes really, really nice. I'm not lying. It's got a really good spice and flavour and everything. But I can't do it. I've let the team down, man. I feel like I've let the team down. I can't do it.
is really, really nice. But you see this jelliness. Can't run. Z, my bro. I don't know how you eat this, bro. Now, I'm going to say it tastes 9 out of 10. It tastes really, really, really good. Tastes like oxtail. The smell of it's really nice. The only thing is it's just bare jelly. I'm not involved. Alright. It's chicken and chips tonight. Actually really annoying me because it tastes really nice. It's like, it's got like this oxtail flavour, but with a little like slight difference to it. The pepper was in it, was perfect. A little bit spicy, but not too much. It tastes absolutely amazing. But, see this? It can't run. It's just pure jelly around each bit of the bone. That's the one I ate. That's the kind of it. That was the culprit. But look, man. It's just bare jelly. Literally just jelly. And I can't do it. I just can't do it. But big up the cow foot. It is what it is. Look at that. Not for me, thank you very much, man. But big up the cow foot, we nah disrespect it, man. It smells and tastes really good, but just the jelly is not for me. Thank you, sir. Getting Brixton now. Got some mad fruits. Look at this snake fruit. Crazy. And I also got a cacao. A proper chocolate cacao. I'm not sure what we're going to do with it yet. But I'll think of something. We live and we learn. You know what I'm saying? It's meant to be really good for you. So let's keep that in mind as well. Do you know what I'm saying? And it's really, really cheap. I think when I bought the cow foot, I think I paid about £3. Got a whole bag of cow foot. So it's one of them ones there, you know, it's definitely worth the try. It's worth the try. If you don't really mind, I'm a person that don't mind consistency. When people say, I like it, but I don't like the consistency. I'm like, bad man, shut up, man. What are you talking about? Eat it. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But I understand now. Now I get it. There's some consistencies that you can't get your head around. And I think it's because me being an Englishman and Calfoot not being something regular or something that I've had regular, that's in my mind as well. Something in jelly, Calfoot, bone, foot, stomping on the ground. It's mad. You get me? But like I say, we not disrespect it. It's a good meal. It smelt nice. It tastes nice. Big up the chef because he's done a very good job because that tasted really good. But I just couldn't get my head around the jelliness. But psycho, man. You know what I'm saying, people? I'm about to drop brand new music. In a couple of weeks, people, it is going to be a drum and bass song. Again, I can't wait to drop it, man. So, yeah, if you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. You understand? Press that like button. It really helps the video get moving in the algorithm. And also, I don't know if you noticed the new segments, but we're going to be doing new segments. So the whole garden stuff is going to be in a whole segment, episode 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. I think we will be going into episode 3 of the garden stuff and food for your soul. American soul food, wings, mac and cheese, collard greens, seafood, all that sort of stuff. You know what I mean? But then obviously the regular stuff will always be here. You don't know the things that people, today it was Calfoot. Tomorrow, we don't know what it's going to be. But make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss nothing. I'll see you soon.